Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty and makeup products. Today we're exploring the Mehron Makeup Fantasy FX Cream Makeup in a vibrant green shade. This water-based face paint is perfect for Halloween looks, sports events, SFX applications, costume makeup, and cosplay. The advanced formula glides on smoothly, providing a highly pigmented color that doesn't require setting with powder, making it incredibly user-friendly. In my experience, applying this cream makeup was straightforward. Simply squeeze the tube, apply with your fingers or a brush, and you're ready to go. It removes easily with soap and water, which is a huge plus for quick cleanup after your event. In terms of performance, this product truly shines. It delivers a rich, vibrant green that stands out, making it an excellent choice for those intricate designs or bold looks. I tested it during a costume party, and I was impressed with its staying power. The color remained intact throughout the night, even with some sweating. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the pigment is exceptional. It's easy to apply, and it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. On the downside, some users noted that it might not be as long-lasting as traditional oil-based paints for more extensive wear, so keep that in mind if you're planning a full day in costume. When comparing this product to similar options on the market, the Mehron Fantasy FX line stands out for its professional-grade quality at an accessible price point. While there are cheaper alternatives available, like basic face paints from craft stores, they often don't match the performance or ease of use offered here. Plus, Mehron has built a trusted reputation among professionals since 1927, known for their commitment to quality and safety. In terms of value for money, this product is quite affordable, especially considering the high-quality ingredients and the performance it offers. The build quality is solid, the squeeze tube design is convenient and minimizes waste. I didn't encounter any issues with durability during my tests. For those concerned about user-friendliness, this cream makeup is designed with everyone in mind, from beginners to seasoned makeup artists. The intuitive application process makes it perfect for quick looks, and its easy removal process is a significant advantage. Customer support for Mehron is known to be responsive and helpful, which adds to the overall positive experience when purchasing their products. I didn't have to reach out personally, but reviews indicate that customers feel well supported when they do. During my real-world testing, I also found that a little goes a long way, which is great for those looking to stretch their budget. There haven't been any significant updates to this product since its release, but its consistent performance speaks for itself. In summary, I highly recommend the Mehron Makeup Fantasy FX Cream Makeup in Green for anyone looking to elevate their makeup game for special occasions or performances. It's especially well-suited for artists, cosplayers, or anyone wanting to make a bold statement without the hassle of complicated application processes. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in trying this product, you can find the link in the description below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, or let me know if you've tried it already. I'd love to hear your thoughts.